your kitchen, we bring you Paneer Tikka. So here I've got 2 inches of ginger and 4 to 5 cloves of garlic. You can mince them as per your taste. I've left them coarsely chopped because they taste much better that way. I have chilies here. Depending on the taste and how spicy you like it, you can put more or less. So I'm just going to roughly try. I've got 1 capsicum. Now we're going to dice them to about 1 centimetre blocks. Now we want to keep them the same size as our paneer. 1 red onion, this is a medium to large size. I'm going to cut it the same way as we did with our capsicum, or similar size to what we're going to cut our paneer. Block of paneer. Now this paneer is really soft and that's the one or the type we want for paneer tikka, so it remains soft. We will cut it into big chunks, about 1 to 2 centimeters each. And this way it ensures that when we do put it in the tandoor or the oven, it stays moist. Now that we've cut the paneer into cubes, I'm going to grab 1 cube and a toothpick, and I'm going to poke it 2 to 4 times around the paneer. So when it comes to marinade, it gets through the paneer and stays moist. Now that we've got the main ingredients cut up, let's start our marinade. I've got 1 cup of yogurt. Now this is homemade yogurt, which my mum prepares. Now I'm going to use a bit of milk, so I'm going to grab about less than 1/4 of milk. So this also helps to soften the paneer during our cooking. We're going to add the chopped chilies. And we're also going to add our chopped ginger and garlic. Added all those ingredients, we're going to add salt. Now salt is to taste, so we're just going to add about 1 teaspoon. We can always add more later. Here I've got 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, is half a teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Of kasuri. Now we don't usually put it in like this, so what I'm going to do is grab it in my hand and I'm just going to rub it in. This is my secret ingredient. So this is your chicken tikka masala. So for all those vegetarian eaters out there, you can easily replace it with your paneer tikka masala. So this adds a really nice flavour. So I'm going to also add about a teaspoon of that. I'm going to go ahead and mix these masala so it's nicely blended in with the yogurt and a little bit of milk. A little bit of turmeric powder as well, just to help with the colour. So you can skip this step if you like, but I'm just going to go ahead and put a pinch of the red colour, so this helps with the nice tandoori colour. Keep stirring until all the paneer is covered in a beautiful marinade. So it's been 2 hours in the fridge now, so we are going to put this in the oven. I have my oven tray, so I've boiled it up and I've got a rack inside here because I'm going to put my paneer tikka. So let's start. So our paneer tikka is evenly spread out through the tray now, so I'm going to quickly spray on some olive oil spray on here. So that's one side ready. What we are going to do is just quickly toss them around so we get the char grill flavours all right. I'll turn our paneer over. We're going to put it in the oven for another 5 to 6 minutes. Take it out of the oven and plated it up. So I've served it with a nice mint yogurt chutney. Styles kitchen to your kitchen, so make sure you try the paneer tikka and comment below. Share and subscribe for more videos.